Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today we'll be doing my client's birthday nails, and this is the set that we will be doing today. But of course, before I jump into the video, I have to give a huge shout out to my notification squad. I love and appreciate each and every comment, and I love chatting with you guys in the comment section below. And if you want to join the notification squad, make sure to click on that bell icon right next to that subscribe button so that you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. And if you're not yet subscribed, why not take a minute right now to click on that subscribe button while we are at it. So my client's nails have already been prepped and primed with the first coat of primer. You guys see me going in with my second coat of primer, and now immediately on top of that tacky primer, I'm going to lay down a thin layer of clear acrylic. Now today I am using my Mia Secret acrylic system. I am using the number 10 alpha brush. I have not started using my number 12 as yet, but I will keep you guys updated when I do, and I will be doing that comparison video for you guys really shortly. For those of you who have not seen my post on my community tab, this past week has been a little bit unexpected and sudden, so therefore my videos I have not recorded for the entire week. Like, it's just been a lot going on, and I want to thank everyone, every single one of you who reached out to me, who commented on that post and sent your condolences. I love and appreciate you guys so much, and this is actually going to be a watch me work video. I just wanted to come on here, and because I miss you guys, I really do miss chatting with you all in the comment section below. I miss having our conversations for those of you who reach out to me on Instagram. So that is just what I wanted to come and let you guys know. Everything that I use, it is going to be listed in my description box below, all the links, coupon codes if I have any, and all of that good stuff. And if you guys really and truly love how this set turned out, give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and flood my comment section with this emoji. And if you guys are hearing a noise in the background of my voiceover, that is because it is raining so heavily, and for some reason right now I'm really enjoying the sound of rain. It is so calming and so relaxing. Like, I really love hearing the sound of rain. It might sound weird maybe to some, but it's just what it is right now. So the pink acrylic powder that I am using is by Valentino, and this glitter mix that I'm using here is by the Makartt company. This is one of those little glitters that comes in the rhinestone kit. I'm also using the rhinestone gel to apply my crystals, and the stones that you see me using are also by the Makartt company. Now, I am really loving the quality of these stones. They're not Swarovski crystals, they're just regular rhinestones, but they remain so shiny. They do not cloud up, they do not scratch. Like, the quality of it is just on point, and a lot of people right now are sleeping on the Makartt brand, because trust and believe me, that rhinestone gel that the Makartt started carrying, oh my gosh guys, it is so amazing. And I am going to be featuring that rhinestone kit on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can get your hands on it. I only feature my favorite products that I have used and use on a regular basis on my Amazon storefront, so it's linked in my description box below for those of you who are interested. So I am going to be leaving you guys right here so you guys can continue to watch me work. I really and truly hope that you enjoy this set, and as always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.
You want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line. Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long, try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no, losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.